No, I'm a most loving person.
Oh, there's a deal.
There's a big lie behind that.
There's not.
There's lies.
There's a lot of truth behind that.
There's a lie behind that. A huge, huge lie.
Okay, so I'm going to the dam and I'm going to delete it.
Why'd you delete the dam?
That thing you saw? I'm deleting it.
Why?
So they can be opened.
Yeah, so-
Others.
So there can be a lot.
So how do I get a sniper rifle here? I'm on the desk.
Okay, wait.
Oh. Oh.
Where are you on the disc? Oh,
I'm on a disc.
turn to your left.
Oh.
There you go.
Yippee.
There you go. No, Nikki. Bad Nikki. No, Nikki. No, what? What the fuck?
I don't know what I'm
You're
doing!
meleeing the air. Why?
How do I use the little spinny thing?
Click in the right analog stick.
Both faces are gone. I am so happy. You know he's amused. I mean, he's amused.
She already lost sight of me.
I'm the only one with an aircraft. Yay! He's behind you.
I know it, I can't see him.
You both can see me about now.
I lost my sniper rifle!
And I just picked up the ammo for it. Somewhere else.
Whee!
There we go. There's another
Should
one.
we create a bridge to this place or no?
If you want your sniper rifle back, it's up here.
Ah!
Nobody but me can go to the place I go.
So, no, actually, everybody could. If
I
they
know. I'm
followed
just.
you.
I'm just kidding.
All right, follow me. Like, don't shoot me. Okay, literally, just
Just
follow,
literally follow him.
Yeah, follow.
Where'd
In
you
ball
go?
form. Ball form.
Oh, form? Okay.
Wait. What? Okay.
Where'd you go? Where are you? I lost. Oh, there you are.
Okay.
Hello.
Follow.
To the place of happy dreams.
Left trigger.
I'm pushing it.
Okay.
Wow, where'd you go?
To the place I went. He's trying to get you to follow him to go to the place I went.
Shit. I lost you.
To your right. That should be okay.
Thank you so
Okay.
very much. I feel so loved.
Okay, now I lost her. She took off. Nikki. I swear to God.
Okay, fine. I'll come over there. Nikki, when you see my plane, you follow it. Got it.
There's no way she can lose a plane.
You?
Well, actually,
I
it's Nikki, so she could probably lose a plane.
Okay, you see me?
Ow.
Yes.
Follow me.
I'm following.
Follow the plane.
There's an island down there. Look, you see that?
You can go to that island.
And also,
There's 2 more places.
Whee!
there's a cave over here.
It's a marine.
Well,
Or a hangar, actually.
yeah, hangar.
And then up. If you go up.
Right here.
You're on it already. See? This is the.
If you go into that water, you die instantly.
Oh, this ought to be entertaining. Oh, I missed it. Ah, Jordan, you ass!
Sorry. Hey!
Haha.
Well, at least it transported me back.
I'm gonna launch myself into the air and just see how long it takes me to reach the water. Okay, there we go. 3, 2, 1. Contact! There we go. Okay.
You don't have to anymore.
Well, I still am. I'm after Mikey.
Oh, I can get you to Mikey. He's just going through here. If you just follow that road, he'll be through there.
See ya.
You just.
What? Nikki? Stop. What are you doing? I'm being chased by a psychotic orb.
A big psychotic or gay psychotic.
What? Nikki? Is this something you want to tell us? Like, John seems to know information that I do not.
How do I delete crap?
I'm
Why?
not. No! John! Don't tell it! No, Nikki, stay away. No. Nikki? No, bad Nikki. Ah! No! Yeah, I lost all my weapons and everything. I'm taking this. Nikki, where are you?
I'm over water.
Yeah, that's real.
I'm gonna be on a rock.
I'm gonna.
You're gonna be on a rock.
I'm getting hungry.
So am
I'm
I.
Nikki.
Yes, we. God. Why are we friends?
Because I'm weird.
Okay, so we got a dude with a pedophile laugh. We got a girl who sounds like a chipmunk on acid.
I'm not on acid!
And then we got a dark man with a dark past.
What? I'm not black. No, I'm British. Remember? I go British. Jordan.
What?
I saw that.
What?
You got a blueberry. You got a blueberry. No blueberry. No.
Stop screen cheating!
Like
Stop screen
you
cheating!
Like you aren't. Jordan.
I haven't for a while, trust me.
No, don't delete it, please. Ow.
Yay! No! I know you're gonna do.
Follow the ocean.
I'm not gonna delete it.
I don't know.
Well,
where
I know
am
what you're gonna
anymore.
do.
I can even track your ball
I
forward.
dare you. I dare you.
Where are you guys?
It's gonna blow up on you when you get back.
Where's Nikki?
Now fly away.
I'm gonna go get Nikki. Where is she? Hey, Nikki!
What?
I have something to show you. Wait. There you are. Nice.
Yay!
I'm just following Nikki. This is the only way for me to stay alive. Oh, Nikki. Where the hell is that girl?
Dead or alive. I don't know.
Good game.
Oh yeah.
Nikki. Nikki, wait, stop. Nikki.
Hey! I'm trying to work!
Yay! I killed somebody!
No, you didn't. Jordan did because he had stuck a grenade to me earlier. So you don't get the kill.
Ooh, what's this do?
Oh, that was... Holy shit, Nikki fought back. Damn, go Nikki. Jordan.
What? She shot me!
And like you haven't shot her?
She was around my favorite gun!
Your favorite gun being what again?
The blueberry that you described.
Ah.
No! Why is this
That's
thing all
true.
ringy like?
Because that's where a flag spawns in multiplayer and it kind of marks it.
I'm gonna come up there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna eat faces.
You do that.
Okay.
Oh, I thought you were a tractor. I was like, no! Dodge!
Is that you, Jordan? Is that you?
No. Yes. Yes, that's
Hi,
me.
Jordan.
Hello.
I'm looking for dead bodies. Not particularly. What?
I took it!
Oh, no, that's
Run,
Nikki. Sorry, I'm looking for you, Jordan. Sorry, Nikki.
Don't worry, I got my blueberries.
You do?
Blueberry waffles!
I like blueberry waffles.
Whatever you say, whatever you do, don't think of blue waffles.
You just said it. You're not supposed to say it. You failed.
Who's the Prince of Pyro?
Some guy.
Oh, it exploded.
Yeah, that can't fly on a
Here I go again, Mama.
Ah, Dad.
That's such a stupid song.
That is, yeah, and
That's why I mock it.
you're singing it.
I'm mocking it by singing it. You're an ass, you know that.
I'm trying to get you.
Yeah, I know that. Stop running away in ball form.
Like you're not.
Well, that's
I'm
because I was
already in
already
ball
in
form.
ball.
So,
Besides, you always run away in ball form.
Pick up some more ammo.
Mm-hmm. Cheddar.
Too entertaining.
What, pit us against each other?
Screw it. Jump! Woohoo!
Have fun. Loser!
What the hell? The rock vibrated. Jordan, don't run away in ball form. What the fuck? I'm getting shot at. Is that you,
Well, when
Jordan?
you stop running away in
Jordan.
ball form, I will.
Are you shooting at me, Jordan?
No.
Then
I
who
swear.
is?
I swear, it's not me.
Oh my god, who?
It's
Huh?
I'm assuming it's Nikki.
Nikki. Ow, you ass!
I finally got him! Yes!
Yeah, by a cheap shot.
You're distracted. That was
Yeah, that's a cheap shot. That's cheating.
Well, if you were paying attention, you won't run away in ball form.
Yeah, that's called logic.
Oh, you took the weapons already. I was approaching it. You took it. You're too kind. I know you're there.
Yeah, Nikki's looking at you too.
no.
Actually, where's Nikki? Where are you?
Where is Nikki?
I know, we both see us aiming at something. She's on the same side as us, but we cannot find her.
Wait. Clue. The platform.
Ah!
No, don't. Oh.
Wait!
Julie, wait.
I
There we
need to
go, there we
find
go.
you.
There we go. Got my ammo. That's all I was doing was trying to grab Nikki's ammo.
I'm grabbing your ammo as well. Taking it from the place and saying you hide it.
I don't hide it. I put it pretty much out there. Oh, Joe, no. No, don't kill me.
I'm not gonna kill her. I'm after the ammo.
Did you take it?
Yeah.
I needed it.
It will respawn in like 30 seconds. Grab it. Now don't disturb me. I want to be by myself for a while. Ow. As I crash into the remnant. Whee! You're mean.
Yeah.
You're an ass.
Ah, revenge is sweet, and I'll take that ammo, thank you. Oh, wow, this one has full shots on it, thank you.
Ass, get back here, coward.
You keep saying that when you do the
Because
same
you-
exact things.
Well, that's because I have to chase you, and plus, I'll stop when you stop.
Uh-huh.
I would.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I would. You wouldn't. So therefore, I know.
I thought so.
What?
Nikki.
Where am I going? Oh, there I am. Oh, crap. Whoa.
I'm just making this public to everybody. He's a coward.
I'm a live coward, though. And also, you do the same exact thing, Jordan.
Only when necessary.
Yeah. And
Because
not
you're doing it!
Not to mention, you suck at throwing grenades.
It's like, not to mention, I'm doing it because you do! You're the example. When my senpai stopped doing it, I will stop. It's that simple!
Uh-huh. And you're a screen cheater.
So are you.
Who isn't?
Boop, 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 boop. Whoop, whoop, poop. Chiku. I'm not done it.
Want some more hot
Love ya.
I'm not going to mail.
You committed suicide by running into a skull.
I see you.
I'm dead, Nikki.
I shot you.
Poor Nikki. So mentally confused.
Where are you now? Oh, you're there.
Smacking a skull. That's where I am.
You're smacking a skull. See? I knew it.
So
Uh-huh.
you're gonna take a cheap shot, you know that.
You committed suicide. Awesome.
Where'd you go?
Dead.
No,
Nikki's
not-
like the only one who's not in ball form. Where is she? I have no. Where are you, Nikki?
Hi.
You having fun?
Hmm?
Is anybody having fun here? That's one answer. Boop. Pop goes the weasel, pop goes the weasel.
Jordan?
Oh, I saw a person. Die! Die!
Whee!
Oh, what's this? Oh, hello. I wonder what this does. Let's go find out.
Oh, there you are. There you are.
You're so sure. It's like you were so sure I was falling.
Damn it, Jordan. I know. I felt like I was watching me. What the? All douche. You're an all. You're a douche. You mean.
Fly away, coward, fly away. Coward! See? Exactly. You only use... See? Exactly. Coward!
I'm not a coward.
Yes, you are.
How am I a coward? I beat you fair and square, and Nikki has no clue what the hell is going on behind her.
I saved myself.
Ass.
Hey, I looked and I saw.
That was
so I
the only
decided-
fair one.
Oh, only fair one. I've shot you plenty of times before that.
They were unfair, though.
Well, go grab a sniper rifle or something. I'll leave this place. There's 2 sniper rifles for you. What the? Oh. Whee! Geronimo! Okay. What's in there? I thought I put something in there one time. Holy shit! What the fuck? What the fuck? Jordan?
Not me, I swear.
Jordan?
He
I
wasn't
swear-
me.
There's nobody I know who can get closer to my head than that, okay?
Who says it was close to your head?
It was. I saw that. No. Where the fuck are you? I know you saw.
Nowhere near there anymore.
That's me.
Oh, okay, that's Nikki.
You were like, oh, you said you weren't there, any, huh?
Yeah, I was like, you said you weren't there. Where the fuck are you? I saw an orb. I saw an orb. You
That
lied.
was Nikki.
That was me.
That was Nikki.
That was me.
See? Right there.
See? It's me. Why'd you kill me?
Because you're holding the sniper rifle and you're aiming it at me.
I was looking for you.
I get the feeling you were looking. Oh shit, John! No.
There's where I
No.
was.
Ow!
Fuck you, man. That hurt. That hurt.
Oh,
That hurt.
Poor
No.
little baby.
My feelings are hurt now, man.
And how do you think I feel?
I think you feel pretty fine.
I've been being killed the whole entire time.
Well, you must.
I have killed one of you once.
I don't like. I know you set up someone. We can. Are you? Wait, let me check your screen. Yes, you are. I knew it.
Oh, now you're going to the other side, aren't you? Now that you're so sure, I know it. I know it. I have a gut feeling you're going to the other side.
I'm creeping up slowly. If you see my big toe, you're gonna like shoot at it.
Pretty much. Like slowly.
Okay, wait, this is what I got. Float up. Ah! I'm failing miserably.
So miserably.
Oh shit! Damn it, I screen looked. I know. Holy shit, I knew it! I knew it! Because I heard you say, I saw someone, like, oh shit.
I'm a tank.
Nikki?
Good for you.
Nikki, wait, turn around. I'll tell you what Jordan is. See the cliff on the left side? Okay, look to your left. See that little cabin right there? The one that looks like a shark or whatever? See the shark looking thing? Yeah, he's like, look, go down to where the little half square is or whatever. Yeah, he's like right in that area. Here comes
You're
Nikki.
gonna sick her on me. You're
Exactly. She's got
a coward.
She's got a tank. Like he's up on
Come
that
on.
ledge somewhere.
Face me like a
Right
man.
And
Face
he's on
me
the
like
other
a
side
man.
on that ledge. Like keep looking at the ledge. Oh no, wait, he's in ball form. He's up at the very. Oh, he went the other direction. Like look at his screen. You'll see.
You're
Like,
sticking her
Okay,
against me, you coward.
shoot up at the ceiling of the cave.
That's
Yep, you're near him. You're near. Okay, wait, Nikki. He's flying. He's flying upwards. Aw, damn it. This tank can't look that high. I know. I'm a little cheat.
cheat.
Yes, I will admit that was a cheat. Come on, Nikki. Come on. Nikki. Hello. Oh, wait. I just thought of something. Let's see.
Oh yeah, sure. Grab my ammo,
Exactly.
coward.
You don't need it. You're not hit. Wait, where are you?
And where you shouldn't be.
Where I shouldn't be? Wait, what? Oh, there you are. I saw a little red dot.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I see a little floating red dot. I see it. I'm following the little red dot. I'm following it. I don't care as long as she got a kill.
Thanks for the fully loaded sniper rifle.
Yeah, but guess what? I got my shotgun, so ha.
I don't give a shit.
You will. Trust me, you will. Nikki,
No.
Jordan's right at your tank.
No.
So I'm hiding behind her. It doesn't work that well. Go up, me going up.
No! Get away from
Don't
that tank.
get out of the tank. Get out of the tank. He's gonna sabotage it.
Oh my god! What
You're in the tank.
That was okay. I gotta do this again. I gotta do that again. That was awesome. I was inside the tank. I was literally inside the tank.
No, get away from my tank, you biznatch. This is my tank. Get away. Get off my tank.
No. No. I'm not gonna get off your tank.
Then I'm gonna ram you into a wall.
Oh shit. Jordan, I'm surprised you're not like laughing hysterically at this.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, come on. Oh, I want to get back. I want to try to see the inside, like what the hell the character does on the inside of the tank. Okay, like, where am I? Oh, that's a view I do not need. Oh, I'm not a peeping Tom, I swear to God.
No, amazing!
Holy shit, what the hell? Jordan, did you just...
No, I did. I swear.
Hey, Nikki.
Hi.
I just blew up.
That's because I shot you.
I know.
I'm done!
I was
don't know
not being
nothing
a
about
peeping...
birth and no babies.
I was not being a peeping Tom, I swear.
You were totally
I
being a
was
peeping
not.
Tom. You
I
were
did
totally
not know I'd wind up there, okay? I usually wound up in the middle of the tank, okay? And I saw your character driving. I did not know I'd wind up there, okay?
Let's see.
A little bit too much stuff I needed to see, okay?
I have to burp. Excuse me.
Looking for Nikki, looking for Nikki. Where is Nikki? Where is Nikki? Oh, there you are.
Bridges. Bridge to the world.
Bridge to the what?
Bridge to the world.
Am I gonna make it? I'm gonna make it. No, I'm not.
I need a
You're not
sniper
making it,
rifle.
I swear.
Ow.
Maybe I should start over there then.
Over where?
Sniper! Sniper? Nope.
I'm making a bridge, okay?
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Why are you making a bridge?
That is freaking
Hi.
hilarious. I see this little dot just moving around. This is awesome.
Don't be shooting me.
Why not? You shoot me.
Not well. You're not even doing a project. I'm doing a project. You're not.
So it's just gonna be me and Nikki shooting each other from now on.
Well, I don't
For a
even
while.
know where to get a good gun.
Most likely at the place where I got them.
Where?
That little disc. Shouldn't there be some in there? Yeah, there's one in there.
Oh, okay.
The usual disc. There's...
I'm going as fast as I possibly
Look at
can.
that. Extra large. Okay. That's...
Ah.
I think you're at the wrong disc.
It's not a disc.
It's a disc.
Oh, that disc.
Yeah, that disc.
I looked at your screen. It's like disc. I don't have disc.
There we go.
Shoot me and I'll kill you. Why? I was just getting a rifle.
That's how we played. Like, good
I'm
lord.
trying to connect.
We're in 27 minutes right now.
Maybe we should stop.
You want to pause it right quick and then... Okay, let's get something to eat.
Yeah.
I'm not hungry.